what is up? So today I am going to be sharing with you a spring haul featuring mostly Primark. There's a few other items in there as well, but if you guys have watched any of my previous videos, then you know I am freaking obsessed with Primark. I literally pretty much only shop there since I have moved to Ireland. Everything is just so cute and affordable, and I just love it. Like, I don't know what else I can say. Before we get started, I absolutely hate wearing my hair in a ponytail, and for some reason I still subjected myself to this Shih Tzu hairstyle. My offensively large ears will probably be taking precedence over this entire video, so just try and ignore them. You know, they're kind of, you know, in your face a bit, but is what it is. Anyway, before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and go ahead and click on the little bell to make sure you never miss one of my posts. And if you like this video and thought it was helpful, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button for me. I would really appreciate it. Whew, I said that all in one breath. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and shut up now. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the first piece I'm going to show you is a pair of pants. And they're a little wrinkly right now because I had them in my suitcase. I just came back from vacation, and of course I had to bring them because they were freaking adorable. And they look like this. It's a little hard to see right now in this lighting, but I will try them on for you. They're these purple flowy pants here. They've got pockets, which, I mean, pockets are everything. Like, let's be real, it has to have pockets. And I don't really own much purple, so yeah, had to get them. These are a pair of black shorts that I got over at H&M. They're just high-waisted, super cute. I have these in two other colors and I love them. Moving on to a Primark item I have here. This I seriously am freaking obsessed with, you guys. It is the cutest bodysuit ever. Like, the lacing detail on the front and the mesh is so cute, and it's got a crisscross back. I think I actually found this in the swimwear section, but I'm totally just gonna wear this as a bodysuit or to a music festival because it's so cute and I've never seen anything like it. Next item I have here, again, not a Primark item, but don't worry, there's plenty of those coming up. These are a pair of skinny jegging pants in this really pretty olive army green color. I actually got these at Walmart for $12, and I have these pants in like a bazillion colors, so when I went home, you know, your girl had to go back there and snatch a few more. So I've wanted a cute pair of overalls for an eternity, but I really hate the way I look, and if you don't like dress it and pair it right with the right accessories, you get major farmer vibes, and that's not what I was going for. But these are super cute, and they are, it's gonna be hard to see in this, but again, I'll try everything on. They're these super cute skinny leg overalls here with some distressing on the pockets and on the sides, and they've got little button-ups on the side, which I thought was adorable. And I'm obsessed with these. They're super cute, and I cannot wait to wear these. Next item, also from Primark, is these super adorable, flowy, cover-up beach pants. And the interesting thing about these is they actually have these big slits up the side, so you would wear them like over your swimsuit, and they're just really flowy and it kind of opens up, so it looks like a skirt when you have it on, but it also gives you like pant vibes, so it's like a pant skirt, and I'm totally feeling it. I have nothing like this, and when I go to Italy I will definitely be wearing these a lot. This is probably my favorite piece of the entire haul, and this is also from Primark, and I cannot believe this is only 15 euros. I'm in love, and it's this like one piece like jumpsuit, and it's got little shorts at the bottom, and this part flows out, and it's so pretty. I love this pattern. Again, I don't have anything like this. It's got this cute little tie-up detail in the front, and I was really surprised that it fit me because I have a really short torso, and a lot of rompers and jumpsuits are way too big in the torso and they totally don't fit me, but this had adjustable straps, and it's just so cute, and I again cannot wait to wear this when I go to Italy. Next item here is, if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen me wear this like a million times. It is this super cute distressed denim jacket, and I actually got this when I was back home from Old Navy. I just really loved like the way it looked and how like the edges and the bottom were, you know, kind of distressed, and I've been looking for a cute denim jacket for a long time, and this one fits really well and I love it. So the next item I got here is this super cute purse from Primark. I love the quilted detail. It's super in right now, and I love also that this has an adjustable strap. If you guys know me, you know I hate purses that you cannot adjust the strap because I hate when they're super long. I also picked up some sandals from there. So I got this really cute pair here with the little gold studs on them. Just super cute for summer, a little bit more on the casual side, but I don't really have anything brown. Also a pair of sandals. It's just these black ones here. They got the little beaded detail on them with faux suede. And these are super comfortable as well, and really a good deal. And the last item is actually what I'm wearing, and it is not from Primark, but it is this super cute tank top that's cropped and it says honey across the front. I got it when I did my last awful swimwear haul. And then also I have these white skinny pants that are also from Walmart, same as the green, army green ones. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.